Hey everyone, my name is Andy, and today we're going to show you how to create a project in ArcGIS Pro. The startup screen allows us to create projects from several templates. Today I'm going to choose our map template. Projects are essentially containers for all your resources you'll be working with, like maps, 3D scenes, layouts, data, etc. I'm going to use New Zealand as my study area. Now we could use the Explore tool to manually pan and zoom our way there, but instead I'm going to use Locate. As you can see, the map doesn't wrap around the dateline by default, but we can quickly fix this by accessing the map properties and enabling it. We're going to convert the map to a 3D scene, but first I'm going to change the base map to give us a more realistic view of New Zealand. Alright, that's much better. Now let's convert the map to a scene. From this perspective, it doesn't look like much has changed, but using the Navigate tool, we can look at the scene from a variety of perspectives. If you want to save this project and work with it later, we can do so on the Quick Access toolbar. If you'd like to try this tutorial, head over to the ArcGIS Pro help and follow along with more detailed steps.